So this is 5 meters in diameter. That's rather big. There's going to be a lot of space. Looks good. So today I dug out the base or the foundations for the geodesic dome. I couldn't do it entirely because my big bag was in the wrong spot, so I'll have this short stretch to finish. I dug it out to be more or less the average depth of the terrain. So here I'm a little bit deeper, and then on the other side I am about even with the ground level, and I added a couple of centimeters of split gravel in my trench to make the base for foundation, which will be made with those leftover bricks from a terrace we made. For the circle I used this center pole, and then I draw a marking at 2 meters 43. So normally my bricks should start here, 2 meters 40, up to 2 meters 60. So that's how it looks. 5 meter diameter, quite large, snugly in between this tree and these other trees. So I hope I will get enough sunlight in the dome, but I'm not worried too much. So tomorrow I'll probably continue, add another thin layer, then compact it a little bit, and then probably the day after, or Thursday, no, not Thursday, I have a job Thursday whole day, but then I can start the masonry.